Welcome back. We are now inside of the Thrivecart dashboard, and we're going to go to the Learn module here in the top menu. Now, as of the recording of this video, there is a help page to find out more about the Learn process. Now, currently, Learn is only for Thrivecart users. You're going to see here in the top menu that there is a plus element to the Learn module. And there is a video here that will tell you about Learn Plus. So if you have Thrivecart, as the recording of this video, you'll click here to get started. Now there is a terms of service page that you are going to want to read thoroughly to make sure that you understand it all before you agree to it, as well as to whether you agree to have software updates sent to you. Once you have read through the entire terms and conditions, you can then click this button that says you agree. You can also tick as to whether or not you're going to want to receive other updates about software from Thrivecart. Once you've done that, you can then click You Confirm. Now what you can do is you can watch the video to determine if you're going to want to have the Learn Plus module. You'll see the additional elements that are part of Learn Plus, and you can see the price available as of the recording of this video. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to proceed without the additional features. And you'll see that Thrivecart is a way of creating online courses directly connected to the Thrivecart shopping cart. You will see that the system starts with projects, and then within that project is an actual course that you can create. And you can see that the content will consist of areas where you can create lessons and embed videos. And we will cover Thrivecart Learn in a separate video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.